Hi, welcome to this video, which will step you through the process of enrolling in your online course. So you'll have a link which will bring you to this address, courses.thesoundtherapycompany.co.uk. And this is the home screen. So there's a menu at the top with a navigation, which you'll be able to use once you're logged in. There's also a login button here, so when you return, it's easier to log back into your account. First thing we need to do is enroll in a course, so we need to scroll down here. At the moment, we just have the one course, so this is the workshop days recap. There is a price against it, but you have a coupon code, and that will sort that out later on in the cart or the checkout section. We click enroll now. This gives us an overview screen. So this is an overview of the course content. So it tells you you're not enrolled here. Again, gives you the price, and we can click the button to take the course. But before you do that, you might want to check out what's in the course. So we've got the course content here. We can expand individual rows, or we can expand all and scroll down. And this is just the first page. So it gives you an idea of the lessons and the topics. There's 72 different steps in the course. So there's over 16 hours of video included. So we can click take the course when you're ready to do that. And it brings you to this confirmation screen. It confirms which lesson that you're buying. It's the recap lessons. Again, the price will be sorted out once we've added it to the cart and we get to the checkout. So this is the checkout screen. If you were a returning customer, then you can click here. This is where you enter your coupon code. And you'll put in your unique individual code here, and you can apply the coupon. And you will see down here, it changes the amount of the course. Now, because this is a test account, it's going to 0. This will bring it down to the discounted rate that for your particular training course. So we have to fill out our billing details here. Email address, let's use that one. An important thing to be aware of here is when you set up this account registration form and set the password here, you'll need to remember this for when you come to log back in at a later date. So once we've put in our billing details and we can see this is correct over here, we can place order. And checkout. It does say at the top, thank you, your order has been received. Gives you an order number and the date, and again, the details here. You can see as well that you've automatically been logged in, because up here now it says log out, and we've got my learning overview here. And this shows you the progress with your courses. Sometimes it will put in an avatar here. If I log into my admin account, it brings up a photo here, which has been brought from Google somewhere. I'm not sure where. Or you can set one up on your profile. It allows you from here to manage the courses or see the progress you've made on the courses. So that's an overview of how to register. Obviously, you can then log out. And when you return, you'll come to this screen and you'll log in here. And this is where you'll need to remember the password that you created when you enrolled in the course. So that's put in there. Click login and that'll log you back into the system. Once you're logged into the course, there's another video that goes through the steps to help you navigate through the course content. and how you step between lessons and back and forward and all that type of thing. So I look forward to seeing you in the online content. Bye for now.